Good day, everyone. Today, I will be presenting the key considerations surrounding the success and sustainability of social marketing and social mobility programs. We'll explore how these programs can be optimized and sustained in the long term, as well as the challenges and motivations that shape them. But before we dive into that, let's quickly recap some of the foundational aspects of a program. So, social marketing and social mobility programs are designed to create positive change by improving the lives of individuals from underserved communities. These programs aim to break the cycle of poverty, improve access to education, and help people secure better job opportunities. The purpose of the project is to explore ways to make social marketing and social mobility programs more successful and sustainable. The focus is how we can help people in low-income communities by giving them better access to opportunities that can improve their social and economic status. The target audience for these programs includes individuals from low-income backgrounds, at-risk youth, and people who are looking to improve their social mobility and break free from the cycle of poverty. The main objectives are to understand the challenges these people face, identify ways to improve their access to SOCMAR and SOCMOB programs, and suggest solutions to make their programs more effective. The goal is to create a model that can help this program succeed in any community with long-term positive impacts. Now that we've reviewed the foundation of the project, let's dive into some of the critical considerations for ensuring the success and sustainability of SOCMAR and SOCMOB programs. We'll address factors such as barriers, benefits, competition, and influential others. Okay, so let's start with the barriers or the cost to the audience. So programs like SOCMAR and SOCMOB often face challenges in reaching their target audience due to financial constraints, lack of resources, and limited access to information about the programs. For example, participants may have limited access to transportation, technology, or even time, making it difficult for them to engage fully in the program. Additionally, the cost of participation in terms of time and financial commitment may discourage those who are already facing economic hardship. On the flip side, there are several benefits and motivators that can encourage participation in these programs. SOCMAR and SOCMOB initiatives can offer significant rewards, including improved educational opportunities, career advancement, and social inclusion. For individuals in marginalized communities, these benefits can serve as powerful motivators, driving them to overcome personal challenges and engage with the program. Moreover, the opportunity to empower and to change one's social trajectory is a major motivator for many participants. Now, let's talk about the competition. In the landscape of social mobility and social marketing programs, there's often competition from other similar programs or services. These alternatives may offer different benefits or approaches, and participants may need to choose between them based on factors like accessibility, reputation, or perceived effectiveness. This competition can sometimes lead to fragmentation or confusion, making it harder for participants to determine which program will best meet their needs. To stay competitive, SOCMAR and SOCMOB programs must differentiate themselves and continuously prove their value to the community. Then finally, influential others play a crucial role in the success and sustainability of these programs. The involvement of mentors, community leaders, and even family members can significantly affect an individual's decision to participate in and stick with the program. Influential figures can provide emotional and practical support, helping participants navigate the challenges they face and motivating them to stay engaged. For example, a mentor might guide a participant through the process of career development, while a community leader might advocate for the program's legitimacy and importance. Now, to wrap up, let's briefly recap the other considerations. So number one, the barriers or the cost to the audience. Participants may face challenges in joining these programs due to financial costs, limited resources, or time constraints. The second one would be the benefits motivators. The opportunity to improve education, enhance career prospect, and gain social inclusions serves as a strong motivator for participation. Next would be the competition. These programs face competition from other community initiatives, which can make it more difficult to attract participants. And then the last one would be the influential others. Support from family members, mentors, and community leaders plays a vital role in encouraging and sustaining participant engagement. So that's it for my report. And then for the kindly answer, discussion forum, kindly answer the following questions. What strategies can be implemented to overcome the financial, resource, and time-related barriers that prevent underserved individuals from accessing social marketing and social mobility programs? And then the second one, how can social marketing and social mobility programs differentiate themselves in a competitive landscape to attract and retain participants, especially in communities with limited resources? I am excited to read your responses in the discussion forum. So to know more about my report, you can visit these references. That concludes my presentation and I hope you learned something new. Bye!